Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So in today's episode, I want to talk about making holes in metal. We love holes. So anyway, if you are a do-it-yourselfer like me, sooner or later you want to start making holes in your projects. And this is what I used to do. I used to buy these hole saws to make holes in my projects like that. You would use an arbor, put the arbor in this thing, and you drill holes in these little things like this. And I'm assuming that if you are watching this, that's what you were probably doing too. What I discovered about drilling holes in metal is that it gets pretty dangerous at times, because sometimes this thing doesn't spin the way you want it to, and it catches onto your drill, and the drill spins against you and it hits you. So I don't know if you've ever been hit by a drill saw, I mean a drill, but I have, and it doesn't feel good. So I thought to myself, there has to be an easier way of making holes without getting punished. And sure enough, I found this kit right here, and I want to showcase this because I have made my share of holes with this little kit right here. It's called the Hydraulic Punch Driver Kit, and I can tell you that it makes very, very good looking holes, and that's the one I used last night. So it comes in various sizes. Okay, so this kit here comes with a handbook. It comes and these are the dies, the cutting dies. Okay, it comes in let's see, 1.115 inch, 1.362 inch, 1 11/16, 1 and 15/16, and 2 and 3/8 of an inch. So these are the dies, and here it is, 1 and 11/16. That's the cup here. This is the punch, or the cutting. You see how it looks? It looks crowned like this. Anyway, the edges here actually cuts the metal. Okay, so you have your hydraulic handle right here, and this is actually the hydraulic punch. Okay, this is the punch head. So let me show you how to use it. It comes with these two adapters right here. Okay, where it tightened into here, and I'll show you. It makes it really easy for a person to use this unit, and it makes time goes by fast, because you don't have to use a hole saw to cut a hole into metal, and that's how it goes in. And so let's set this up so that you have an idea what I'm doing. So we take out this here. This is the ram. This is the set that I'll be using to cut to punch the hole into my metal. So let's put this on the ground. Okay. So this is really easy. All you do, attach this to here. Okay, like that. And then tighten this. Finger tight. Hand tighten it. Don't use a tool to tighten it, because you'll have a grand old time loosening it. There you go, it's tight. Okay, so what you do, split your dies. This is the cup. The cup conforms into here, drops in. Okay, and so what I found out, okay, is this: you have to drill a pilot hole onto the material that you are planning to punch a hole in. So the diameter of this stud right here is about 3/4 of an inch. So what I learned is that you don't want to make this hole 3/4 of an inch. You want to go bigger, like 13/16 of an inch. Okay, so that's what I did. I made it bigger. All you do is just set this in, okay, and then put this right here. I don't know if you could see. Yep. Screw this in. Put this in like that. Okay. Make sure you haven't tightened this thing in, because when this thing starts to draw, it makes it difficult to what do you call it? It makes it difficult to release if you tighten this all the way in. So the way I do it, I make it so that it's loose, where the punch here is almost touching the plate here. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I could do this without, so that you can see how this thing works. There. So what you do now is close the hydraulic port here so that you'll get pressure going here, and that's all you do. Let me zoom in. As you can see, it's pulling in. And it starts to cut. There you go. And makes a very clean hole. So to loosen this, okay, to take that out, release your pressure. This thing comes out, close that pressure. Out, this comes out, and ta-da, that's it. And that's how I punch holes now. I used to use these hole saw, and it would get pretty dangerous, because sometimes the saw here catches abnormally onto the plates here, and it spins your drill around, and your drill can hit you in the face. So that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. This thing sells for a little bit over $100, and I can tell you it's worth every penny that you invest in it. Again, this is the hydraulic punch driver kit from Harbor Freight. It's the Pittsburgh brand. The item number is 35911-2035. So that's that. Let me know what your thoughts are.